So many professionals are asking important questions.
How can I be heard?
How to find mentors and sponsors.
How can I influence people?
How can I get recognized?
Executives from diverse industries have identified a few key areas of career development. This is where most Chinese Americans can focus to advance professional careers.
Active listening.
Presenting skills.
Stronger messaging.
Executive presence.
Powerful networks.
Gaining supporters.
Manage up.
Manage down.
Manage across.
Career decisions.
Negotiations.
Driving action.
This program combines classes instructed by top industry experts. It strengthens effective communications, personal power, managing up, down, and across, and also closing key deals with career moves. This program combines classes instructed by top industry experts. It strengthens your communications, your effectiveness, and your leadership to empower your career. This program includes a bonus instructor-led session called Design Your Career, conducted in English and Chinese. The last 2 of the 7 program sessions are Harvard MBA-style case studies. Be sure to use this link at the Viswise Academy site for convenient registration.